Happy Friday to the Kaspa community. As of July 25th, let's analyze together and see what's happening with the price of Kaspa right now and what we could be expecting as we are going further into Friday morning. Shout out to you guys, for tuning in, day out, and showing tremendous amount of love. There's never been any doubts on how strong the Kaspa community can be, and the love that you guys show on a regular day-to-day basis really means a lot. So thank you. Before I begin, I always want to shout out the Kaspa community. So looking at Kaspa, we're down about 3.1% on the daily time frame. If you're looking at it over the course of the last 1 hour, even though the market is picking up right now, over the course of the last 1 hour, to be specific, you're still seeing Kaspa pretty much break even right now, not really going in green, so still down compared to where we were yesterday. So down about 3.4% in USD, price sitting at 9.6 cents, down about 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative, valuation 2.54 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $130 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So look at what happened with BTC. Bitcoin has broken below this consolidation range, and that is something we don't want to be taking slightly. You could see we were pretty much ranging, and we were talking about this level at $116,000. We broke below that. And after breaking below it, we did see the price going down to 115,000 to be exact. And since then, that support line has played out for us. But I did mention this in my, I think, XLM update. Of course, if we don't see the price holding around here, such an important key support line. If this does not hold, we are open to go down to the likes of $112,000. But if you're looking at Bitcoin dominance, it's actually going down while Bitcoin actually has dropped below a significant support line, which is quite interesting right now. Dominance is starting to make its way towards the downside, which is a good sign, because let's say Bitcoin has seen this pullback. Usually you would have seen the dominance spike quite sharply. So the fact that the dominance has gone down, this is a really good sign for altcoins, of course, if you're an altcoin holder. So if you're looking at the price of Kaspa right now, we're still within the blue range. And of course, we know the significance of the blue range. Spoken to you guys about this level pretty much since, you could say, February of this year. You cannot make this up. We've been pretty much monitoring this range. Of course, it's a psychological level around like the 10 cents mark. But you can see this for yourself. We have seen similar price action pretty much, like I said, dating back to Feb of this year. You can see we got rejected at this key range 3 different times. So the July breakout was a third rejection that we have seen for Kaspa. So right now, we do have significant amount of support around the 9.4 cents mark. I think we did retest the 9.4 cents a few hours ago. Yep. You can clearly see this for yourself. Actually, no, not exactly at the blue line. So that is quite interesting to keep in mind as well. But, we're still seeing the price range around this level. Obviously, if you're taking a look at it on an hourly perspective, you could still see that, we are in this upward trajectory, which, of course, is always nice to see. And that confirmation, when you look at it from that point, it's always nice to, of course, kind of keep that in mind. But from June 22nd, of course, we did see Kaspa making a 97.84% move towards the upside, and since then we have seen a correction of about 19.2%. So quite healthy correction. Keep a very close eye on BTC right now, though, because Bitcoin does not have significant amount of support right now until the $112,000 key range. We do have a little bit support around the $113,000, but primarily like the major support would be around the $112,000, and we could even get to that range if this level does not hold. So we need to keep this in mind. Might see some choppy levels over the next few hours to come. Maybe we do drop below this blue zone, retest potentially the 9 cents mark. That could be on the table, maybe even down to the likes of 8.7 cents if the obviously dominance index starts making its way towards the upside. But we need to keep these factors in mind. But so far so good. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Thank you for your support. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.